Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is ISTANTIN MUJAROFAH. I'm from 12 Social 2 Admin 2 Samarinda. So, in this video, I want to show you how to make a service advertisement using the Canva application. The steps are very simple because you just need smartphone to make it. So, let's get started. First, you have to decide what service to advertise. I choose private tutoring service for children. Then, you search for the title in the Canva application to determine the appropriate template. After choosing the template we want, we just need to change the title of the advertise according to what we want. Next, we also replace the photo with the photo we want. And finally, we just have to save the advertise to the gallery and we are ready to display it on various social media that we want. And tada, this is the result. That's the simple steps that I want to share. I hope it's useful for you guys. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.